Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Purdy folding 10-in-1 painter's tool. So before we get into the review, let's talk about what exactly is a 10-in-1 or 5-in-1, or I've seen a 14-in-1 painting tool. And this is what the basic implementation looks like. So you have a couple of features here which assist in painting and paint prep. First, you have this rounded edge here, which is used to clean rollers. So you run it along the edge of a roller to squeeze out any extra paint. Then you have a beveled edge here, which is used as a scraper. So you can take off any dried paint, any kind of adhesive. Then you have this sharpened corner here, which is used to get into corners, whether you need to remove some caulk or open up a crack or something like that. Then you have this dull edge on this side, and that's used to open up paint cans. And then you have the back, which is used as a hammering tool for setting nails or closing a paint can if you need to. So those are the basic features. Now, let's talk about the Purdy. So the Purdy has all these things. It's got your scraper tool, it's got your corner tool for getting caulk out. This is like a cutting tool. This is a bottle opener. Not sure why you would need that on the job, but it's there. Then you have the rounded edge for cleaning paint rollers. I don't know who cleans paint rollers. I just throw them out when I'm done with them, but it's there, it's available. You can use the back for hammering, for sure. And then you have this flat edge, which you can use as a drywall knife for spreading compound or whatever else you need. And then also when it's closed, this doubles as a screwdriver, like a flathead. I don't know why you would ever use this, but it's there. And then also they say that you can use this edge for opening up paint cans. I've always used the dull edge, but it's an option. So why did I get the folding painter's tool if I have an existing standard painter's tool? And the answer is very simple. I'm always looking to upgrade my tools to something more compact, something that's easy to store, easy to transport, and doesn't ruin itself or other tools around it. Now with this standard painter's tool, it's difficult to store. So you can throw it into your tool bag, just, at the bottom, have it laying down horizontally. But then it's rubbing against different surfaces. It could snag on something. The other tools, if you have a hammer nearby, it could dull this blade. Now the blade isn't super sharp to begin with, but you don't want to make it any duller than it already is. Now, if you were to store it vertically in one of the available loops, if your tool bag has them, if you want to put it vertically this way, you need a very wide loop in order to be able to clear the blade. And that can, first of all, when you're inserting it into the loop, it could tear it if it's nylon or something like that. And also, you probably want the wider loops reserved for something like pliers or any other wider tool. Storing it vertically with the blade up is not a great idea either, because it could snag on things. It could cut you, it could cut the tool bag, so not a good situation either. The Purdy gives you the best of both worlds. So you have a fully functional painter's tool, but it also easily folds, and you could store it vertically this way, horizontally. It has a little belt clip here, plastic, so you got to be careful if your belt is very thick, but you could just slip it into your pocket, pull it out when you need it, and use it. So I'm very happy with this Purdy. I use it all the time. I don't use it to clean paint rollers, that's for sure, but for basic scraping, prying off any moldings, anything like that, it's perfect. And it also folds, so it can be stored compactly. So I'm very happy with this purchase. It gets my thumbs up, that's for sure.